Hey friends, Tim Kelly here in my studio, and I'm here to just show you what I'm currently using, which is still, or once again, the gigantic soft boxes from Larson. This was the last issuing of it. That's a 3x4 box. Then back here, very rare nowadays, 4x6, brand new condition, also with a photogenic softbox in it, or I'm sorry, photogenic light in this softbox. Those two elements have made the majority of my work for the last 45 years. LED lighting setup, which you use for some jobs, and I've got a full set of Godox. But for my portrait studio, we have decided these two lights, plus I have a Larson hair light soft strip here, and then we also have another photogenic right here to light my background, a little extra pop there. Now I'm telling you this today because a friend of mine, longtime career friend, is retiring. He has the same setup, just as about 1,000 other photographers used to when I was on the speaking circuit and Larson was still around. But for quality of light and the ability to make great portraits, 3x4 main, 4x6 fill has been my calling card forever, with extra kicks, hair light, background light as you need it. This is the foundation, plus one standing reflector. I use this thing to death. Gotta have a nice big reflector, not a dinky little 5-in-1 or something, but a standing reflector. Here in Orlando, my friend who is retiring his studio has this gear for sale. And I wanted to let those of you who really want to try to make wonderful portraits and maybe emulate some of the qualities that mine have, this stuff is available. Not mine, his. And that's photographer Peter Burg in Maitland. And I'm going to put his information here in Facebook. This super wide edge on the light right here. See how wide? So you feather so beautifully, so perfectly, so invisibly. This is the trademark that made him so wonderful. So anyway, I hope you give him a ring if you're interested in such a thing. I get nothing for this. It's just because it's one of my kits, one of my shooting style kits, and it's available. Thanks for always watching our channel.